Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my channel. Kama lami nguJozi, I'm a storyteller, ngikhuluma into esenzeke real life. Ningamangala ngisemotweni ne. I-tripod yami ne-ring light yami ngizikhohle ekhaya because bengivlogga ekhaya. Ngizikhohle mangibuye bengifuneral ngeweekend ngakhohlwa ke. So ngazi nje ukuthi hayi ngine extra la endlini. I-extra, nayi extra. Esithi utshona izophuka angikhona ukuyibeka so fanele ngothenga i-tripod ke enye ne-ring light zala endlini. And then isiko budgeting shem. But ngizozama so ngithi hayi ngoba itori ziyabhakelana ziba ziningi emani ke fukutseng sesi1 inyanga ke and ngisasa ngizobona ukuthi ngizisebenza kanjani ngendaba ye tripod. Okay, bangangazi ngi-storyteller nengikhuluma into zenzeke real life. Ufuna isigaxa unenkinga ungakhona ukuyishare le next person unga-inbox ku TikTok la ngizokuthumela khona inamba then wena uze nendaba mina ngize nendlebe and then ngize ngapha kubalaleli bethu ke sobathulela indaba yakho then kube yibo bona bakuphi advice ukuthi ungayenza kanjani kusolve inkinga yakho or to move forward. Yabo? So ngibhalela usisi ngibhalela Ausjozi benginabantwana abayi4. Ngikhuluma nawe angina nomntwana oyi1 abantwana bambaba bulala. Usisi uthi Ausjozi mina bengishadiwe so mangishadile bengishade to an abusive man indoda bengishaya kakhulu bengishaya unisenda ukuthi ngokuthi la ngiphuma ngebhokisi ngara like divorce or Ausjozi ka divorce ake ngatry ukumove on ngitopa di piece job then but kungahlangani ngathi sathi you know what ema ke concentrate ko kerekeng ke kana kereke Ausjozi ke nna motho o pela ko choireng concentrate esontweni Ausjozi ga ba motho wa kereke ka ba motho wa kereke until one time really ko kerekeng like umlindelo esontweni hayi ngihlangana nomunye ubhuti ke baro bhuti like irrelative la beslethe khona isonto akangeni isonto lethu hayi bhuti angibone ayi umuntu approach ROC uyangichaza liyocula ngakhona the way like umva khona wangikhatla ukuthi ungiphi number or Ausjozi because of like because already piece job izinto besingaqhubeki kungana progress so I was like let me give this person a chance yabona uthi hayi ngimupheke ama number wami Ausjozi I from this cala sikhulume rubelela I hope uthi ngiyangibona yazi because ke sacrifice amo uthi hayi vele sicala vele sikhulume Ausjozi sikhulume ayi indaba yethu ibela uthi nobhuti ayisiphushe Ausjozi rarata neriphushe gobe monati ubrother kube umuntu ukuthi vele uyangithanda like unali care for na angathi ngiphethe ikhanda Ausjozi like bophilo bakabe bubufreezer bewuma nje ukuthi ena try ukufind isolution ukuthi mina ngiphola kanjani bokumuntu onjalo uthi hayi Ausjozi isikhathi masiya ubrother kube ukuthi sesina 3 together athi hayi lazi nimhatsha kudala nginawe so I think now ukuthi isikhathi sokuthi like ritsibane manje ritsebelelane malapha ngokwazi ekhaya ngokwazi uthi some of our family members asegoli wakhe bengwazi because bebaza la sihlala khona because na problem naye some of our family members wami asegoli bekawabona naye ke abaza batlonchaka uthi Ausjozi ibe officially ke ubrother sengintroduce koGabo uthi hayi ngifike kibo Ausjozi vele ngibona abantu vele besiko eliserious abantu abafollower i-tradition hayi bangamohelo kibo ubrother sekibo by 5 3 boys 2 girls uthi Ausjozi ubrothers ekibo umuntu umfana we3 ebafaneni uyo ilast born and then kulandela amantombazana i2 ke uthi hayi Ausjozi kube njalo vele introduce kubo bonke abantu even nakubo malume vele abatshela uthi hayi lo muntu lo mina vele ngiyamlobola ngamurata so angifuna ukuthi kube nomuntu ukuthi ozongithathela yena Ausjozi no problem hayi ngiyintroduce na thekithi hayi yithi bamjabulele very proud or Ausjozi my husband umuntu ukuthi like ilabantu lawa like makafika une personality le ukuthi makafika like kuba jolly nje umuntu ukuthi umuntu wabantu asumuntu like oswenkanga oba ngimkhonyana oswenka umuntu lo makafika vele endaweni yazicucela kube mnandi ukuhlekwe yabona umuntu onjalo but futhi umuntu ophuzayo but not kakhulu umuntu ophuza nje occasionally yabona uthi hayi Ausjozi ekithi hayi vele bamamkhele uthi hayi vele kulo nyaka lokube process so mahadi hayi December vele bathatha baletha mahadi hayi ngoba idaba tja gore vele ikathengelwa nama gift and stuff ukuthi sicede the traditional part ukuze sokhona ukuthi proceed with the white wedding part yabona uthi hayi Ausjozi no problem impilo ibe kanjalo sihlala together ngiyasebenza nawe uyasebenza hayi unyaka udlule after the lobola celebration unyaka udlule ayiphendla suka la unyaka mawudlula awusithozi kube ukuthi bathi no makoti re batla leseya phela angeke kube umakoti omuhle ugcoka amakwayikwayi but ungabi nomntwana yabona ekibo my husband or awusithozi nami ngi-understand ukuthi okay lo muntu so close to 5 years together now like now I just need ukuthi nami like ke bele ngwana or awusithozi akena ngwana abutile na ngwana anginamntwana ngaphandle nama nginamntwana outside our relationship yabona uthi hayi kube ukuthi sengiyayeka ke umjovo ke ngiyakhuluma no brothers was like no it's fine I think it's time ukuthi vele sibe nengane because baxotelela kolapha usinangwana yabona uthi awusithoza isikhathi siye hayi by God's grace ke ngikhulele umntwana oqala umntwana makafika awusithosi hobe emshimanyana as a natural umntwana uhealthy right ana di complications ngwana kisidudla osharp uthi awusithosi hayi umama ngicela ukuba nomntwana vele afonele my husband futhi umhusband utisotho afonele tisotho watseba ka setjo tshwantse ngwana atle gae kalana iwe ale gae meaning ukuthi inkaba yomntwana mayiwa within iyadi family yabona iculture yabo because of ngwana kwahulo yomuzi lo yibo tisetso uthi hayi awusithozi hayi vele tisetso angicele athi baby kanti sipake sihambe vele ikala nomntwana iwele ekhaya ngithi nje ukuthi msithina we believe in ukuthi umntwana awu travel naye ikalani sabatho so wasingameli ikalani iwe before sihamba brothers was like no it's our culture ngeke sisishintshe injalo or awusithozi hayi kupheka amabheki sipaka amabheki ke sipakela ukuthi siyahamba ke siyakohabo tisetso sisa umntwana ukuthi kalana iwe asekibothi setso oray awusithosi refihle vele sihlale uthi awusithosi umama kube uyo vele utheka ovugezisa umntwana uyofuna ucheck ikalana yangwa like kube into like a snacks kimi but because of Kemakoti omumza and it's the first time ngiba nomntwana like engafuna ukuba umuntu ukuthi ngiyazi khukhumeza or ngathi kakhulu yabona hayi ngithuleke procedure ibe njalo umntwana uyagezisa umamazali awusithozi kuyabhekiwa kala nori iwanenge bathi bafuna ukubeka umntwana ubulongo ukuthi ingabi infected uthi ngimtshela ukuthi mina wami umntwana ngizomenza izinto zezi like it's medical not zesintu angafaka ubulongo ngiyacela mina ngizomgeza lewe bangitshela ukuthi ngigeza ngakhona esibhedlela ura awusithozi akwama vele athi bana bakamusi bana bakamu kamahlako so ntongo le ngotlo go dirang ka mo baneng ba bana bakamu santse re dire according to setso sa kamo wa bona uthi gapeletse awusithozi uthi ufuna ubeka umntwana ubulongo enkabeni vele ngale ke gane ke next not with my child umntwana ngobathi kalane yakhe solo ayiwe kumele ukuthi ngabe seyiwile ngithi umntwana izowa the day iready ukuthi iwe umntwana as long as angasibovula angapherila enkabeni it's fine utlowa or awusithozi hayi vele kube ne-tension vele ukuthi hayi ngathi kubangiwa ingane mina ke gana ka ngwana wa gamatlhako ile ukuthi umntwana wa gamatlhako mina ukuthi mina I don't exist kahle go exista umntwana ngoba wa gamatlhako hayi or ke gane awusithozi but umama continue amgezise after mangizisa ngiyimi ke ngiyamcleana inkaba yakhe and then ngicela la vike ngiyamcheck ukuthi ayikho infected na or ayivele inkaba vele iwe Wednesday awusithozi iwe ngolo Wednesday mayiwa so my husband akekho ubile emsebenzini mina ngisele kobukhadi uthi mayiwa awusithozi ekseni vele masithi mkhiphi campus ukuthi ubile vele umama athi ungasathi uyamshintsha letha umntwana mkhumulisa ipampers mkhumulisa abe kalipona re tsamaye re call Shakeng wabona how okay ngiyamkhumulisa umntwana thinking ukuthi nami abokela lapha eShakeni ngohamba nabo bathe emakoti wena wahlaba meaning ukuthi azange ahlabe like wild wedding abona arwale emhlohlo kemhlohlo ngisho atsene kamhlohlo yini imhlohlo ngisho mara ngiyangibamba nyazi bona bamtshela ukuthi akungamelanga ukuthi angene esibayeni uzongena esibayeni saqede every procedure yasemshadweni ila azokhona ungena esibayeni uthi hayi bangishiya awusithozi ngwana kakene kalebona bathathene inkaba yakhe bathi bayigubhela esibayeni bahambe na ukuthi bafike bathini esibayeni I don't know uthi hayi ba esibayeni ngalenkaba levele umntwana abuye umntwana vele ngimgezise ngimgcokise hayi impilo ihambe kodwa awusithozi iviki liphele sicede iviki ngokuphela lana vele ngibatshela ukuthi mina ngicela ujikela emuva cause into besizele la seyenzekile ngikupha sifato ngikupha tsamayo yabona athi mama zala athi no hlala another week uzohamba umntwana at least after ayenza 1 month or awushozi vele ngifonele husband was like baby utlolela mama ungastress umama because mama uthi wena naye benilwa bangumntwana so lalela umama or awushozi kube ukuthi nami vele ngiyayigogobetsa khekhe bamakoti utlolange mama zala uthi awushozi uthi awushozi ayingihlaleke nyanga iphele after 1 month umntwana sekaright umntwana mbe yanga lama complication nasalwale awushozi neketsamaya skala ngwana nale right ritsamaya clinic ngwana nale right bongana any signs ukuthi umntwana akakho right uthi awushozi husband ibuye vele maphonyanga makafika vele kube ukuthi nathi sijika naye no problem umntwana uright uthi sibele endlini ura awushozi afika konhlungu umntwana ngihlale naye almost a month azohlanganisa i-second month yakhe awushozi ngwana hlakahlakani wala hlakahlakani umntwana akakhona uphefumula kube ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi hayi maybe une-asthma ke mose clinic bamcheck bangathola inkinga bathi ngcono simtransferele esibhedlela awushozi ngwana esibhedlela uthi awushozi umntwana esiswini ne bongathi kunento ebamsakhile or awushozi malangwana kana namonahani shoze vele ibas bang-admit-ke esibhedlela kube ukuthi umntwana ngoba sesemncane ngizolala naye esibhedlela or awushozi ngwana ka afela in 2 days uthi umntwana awomelela aphela awushozi bazama like test to see what's wrong with the child because they can't find into wrong ngomntwana awushozi sathini labo i3 ngwana kahlokofala tona ashona akunahle explanation ukuthi what really happened akunahlalo usho ukuthi ngwana ushonile bathi natural death umntwana beka right umntwana beka studlana beka right umntwana washona awushozi ifonela ama family members ama relative kamheni wami sekuthi umntwana ushonile amazala amakhala ngwana kuhlokofetse ulaleke ngwana ukibe isikadlula ngimohayi wala tropong le ngwana awushozi kube ishock like empilweni nami ukuthi umntwana bekangaguli bekangana signs ogula phela hlakahlaka noba ngathi akakhona phefumula ngamisa clinic bathi sibedlela 3 days umntwana washona it's okay no problem awushozi umntwana ngcwatshwe like ngizame to move on kube ukuthi usister nje yathi you know what ngoba this child umntwana kokuqala it's going to be easier if ungayenza a second child usize process healing ukuthi izo speed up the healing process or awushozi kube ukuthi vele usister yang advice but athi no if you don't take my advice is fine but mina kani ngabo mama baningi abashonela ingane ngibona ngathi it's easier like that or awushozi umntwana ashona umntwana lokushona lana ngikhulume nomyeni wami ngithi let's try for another child ikilo ngisesemanzi ukuthi ngikhona ukushesha ngikhethe or awushozi like rizame ukumove on 6 months idlule ngakho preg isikhathi isikhulu kuze kuthi 1 year angikhulelwa hayi awushozi isikhathi masiya ntikitiki hayi ngibona ngathi ngipregnant get a pregnancy test awushozi pregnancy test ithi positive I'm pregnant sibe excited endlini my husband abe excited bophelo like we move on kilobona from labe sikhona khona sizilela umntwana to now sise pregnant awushozi abe pregnant ngayika doctor to confirm but like the signs is khona morning sickness akhona izinto ezinjalo uthi udlule boma 2 months after boma 2 months hayi ngitshele my husband let's go to the doctor and confirm or awushozi ayiri ku doctor ngafika ku doctor confirm athi pregnant ama twins uthi awushozi sibe excited ukuthi soba nama twins i-life move kube monate man hobe monate i-pregnancy ihambe awushozi ihambe ufike isikhathi ukuthi ngiyoteta ke my husband was like no uyoteta ngasesibhedlela sesekhaya now on aribatle mathatha ngiyobata only next to my mother yabona uthi awushozi like nami ngibe ukuthi ngifile ukuthi ngiyaziblame ukuthi ngishese ngahambe yibo my husband the last time so let me just go ngiyohlala nefamily uthi awushozi hayi vele silinge 9 months ngihambe good nale family bangayekele ngibo my husband bangayekele ngibe right uthi awushozi first isikhathi ukuthi ngitete sifike ngeke hospital ngithola abantwana ngesiza ngihlale vele 4 days hospital my mother in law bekaza zongichecka even my sister in laws bazongichecka abantwana beba right abantwana beba healthy no stand complications bazi bangidischarge ke ngendlini Ora awushozi isikhathi siya kube indaba le yobulongo nani ngize ukuthi you know what this time I'm not going to fight izinto zabo if they want to do whatever they want to do with the kids I'm going to let them be because like last time ngacabana nabo umntwana ugcina soyashona ora awushozi bana bakabababhila babashimane bekoma twins ukuthi hayi bayenze ngobulongo bayenze everything yabo i-tradition ora kisanya kodi tsena because I'm trying to save abantwana bami because kisitsho sabone kilobona uthi ngazigeni babayenze ngobulongo babenzeni awushozi izinkaba iwe mayiwa babathathe futhi kamabona baye koshakeng le bona ba lo dira whatever ritual they are doing eshakeni ora usozikilulele bana ngihlale nabantwana uthi this time bana baka it is a mighty 3 weeks mark uwana qala vele akhule the very same way lo uqala oshone ngayo aqale vele akhule awusuthi alwale ngwane alwale ubengathi uyasuffocate ayingihambe ngithi clinic bathi sibedlele mase sibedlele bafone bathi nalo uyenza the same thing or awushozi ngitshisisa inokuthi namela umutlishe lena ko sibedlele abantwana basesibedlele uthi awushozi abantwana bahleli 2 days esibedlele kwabe sebayashona ke both of them bashone bana 3 weeks la ushona na 2 months la bashone bana 3 weeks so awushozi abantwana bashone kanjalo uthi ibe ishock ku my husband now ukuthi how ngoba manje sisekhaya why what's going on uthi kibe ishock kuye ukuthi abantwana ba right abantwana sibabonile abantwana babulawa yini try to ask ama doctors ukuthi what's going on but abantwana like natural death bavele nje bahlangahlangana nabo they can't figure it out ukuthi inkinga yini but they've tried they run ama test akavezi something negative uthi awusuzi abantwana nabo bangcwatshweke abantwana bangcwatshwa ke bano inhithe ukuthi now I lost 3 kids abantwana bami bashone boyi-3 without any clear explanation ora awusuzi mina nginamzali ungisele babam masimje ukuthi abantwana bashonile sibowangcwaba ubabam athi mntwana I think it is high time uze ekhaya maybe into le ihambisana nabadlozi unoze ekhaya or awusuzi ayingicele vele ku my husband uthi sezoriti sozikupoya hayi man kubona mama kubona papaka yabona because anginamama or awusuzi hayi uthi sezwathi ngozokhapha ekini angikhapha ekhaya awusuzi kifihle ikithi ubaba mvele ahamba yophahla kuba phansi abachazela ukuthi kwenzekeni naluza abantwana abayi3 ababe nama bangilwele abantwana bami bangapheleli phansi ngilobona kobenye dunya natsejwa or awusuzi hayi after that ngibiyele ke endlini ngikuthi uthi izinto between me and singasabi like ungasabi mnandi because now like only guilty conscious ukuthi umthetho wangisekibo abantwana bashonele kibo this time azangize nomntwana la last time you are your relationship yethu affected just like that or awusuzi but like isizame ukuthi we are trying to move on kulabona kibala miracle uyako miracle but the relationship yethu affected awusuzi nje ukuthi now I no longer want the child I'm just waiting for ukuthi ngihile kebe right or awusuzi within 6 months bekengikhulelwe and bengaziboni ke this time ngagula this was like no let me take you to the doctor uthi mangifika ku doctor athi oh congratulations musona pregnant uthi ngichaza udoctor uthi you know what bengafuna ukukhulelwa kasi mina mangikhulela abantwana bami bayashona so like wona onikisa mahle phila because ungithela ubhlungu abantwana bayi3 or awusuzi hayi udoctor angitshela ukuthi no man like isibheke bheka abantwana try to change izinto bozenza abantwana mabafika izinto nyane ezinjalo change environment ungasayi lapho uhlala khona like umholi doctor omothomoso ora awusuzi ngikhulele ikube full term umntwana vele azalo ubuntombazana ke this time umntwana mangazala bekile Drobho bekile Gauteng I didn't want to go home ayizange ngifuna ukuthi ngihambe nomntwana ekibo my husband or awusuze ayingibe se Drobho na husband naye support the idea ukuthi ngingahambi nomntwana emakhaya rather sibe la together sibone ukuthi inkinga izomaffecta na or awusuze hayi masile yaphayana umama afone vele alwe khasile ngwana alule mo la tseba sejo sa ka mo family ngore dira jwang ngwana todula mo ngwana hatle a senya go tisha ngwana romela nkala na ngwana abona husband was like no angizolwa no mama sibange indaba yomntwana ngono baby sihambe ke sisi umntwana ekhaya bamenzela immediately bathi umenzela siyabuya asihlale ekhaya or awusuze ritsamali ngwana salisiya sihlale nyana amalanga ikalana iwe awusuze afetso wabadira tradition yabona mina notice sezovele sibuye ke this time azanga ngishe ekibo beyakhona the whole time but makanga kwalishakeng azanga khona because lishakeng ukena mama zala with the younger sister-in-law no problem hayi awusuze sibuye ke awusuze akungaphelanga 3 days this time 3 days ayafela wana thakathakana wana kwaba ukuthi akaphefuka khona uphefumula uthi ayingigijime ke ngibatshela eclinic ithi this is the same thing yenza abantwana bama bayi3 please try to stop this process because umntwana uzoshona uthi vele ngibe ne clear explanation ukuthi abantwana bayenzekeni abantwana bashona or awusuze ngwanaka ayasibedlele masuka mase clinic awusuze umntwana ahlangana kokugcina kube ukuthi shona kumntwana kanjalo ke umntwana obus 4 shona without any clear explanation ukuthi kwenzeke medically bangaboni next usisi uthi awushozi uhamba ukunqotsha umntwana boy4 uri awushozi ke hlakahlakani bengathi ngiluza ingqondo yami ayisebenzi, like I'm shattered, I don't know what's going on. Yini into obulela abantwana bami kilobona uthi ngitshele my husband ke wabona hona no riya ngake ngiyasitsho. I just want to find out what really happened to my 4 kids because bashone ngendlela e1 ama sign into e1 everything. So let's go to uMakhosi and consult so to find out ukuthi abantwana kahle kahle baja ke. Ura awushozi my husband I was shattered because of like he wanted answers and ama-answers sonke aswatholi esibhedlela aswathola ama-answer eklinika aswathola ama-answer. They can't understand ukuthi abantwana babonela yini uthi kangwana kwari naboyifo awushozi recuperates postmortem because of they said a natural death. So you're like, you know what, arrange postmortem to see ukuthi kahle kahle abantwana ikhona into genetic maybe ebabulayayo ikhona kithi abazali ethina singayiboni kilobona. Awushoza hayi bayiperforme ke i-postmortem abantwana kube ukuthi nothing is wrong with the kids medically, ababoni inkinga ababoni problem, abantwana bashone nge-natural death. Yo ngiyasiregulisha ne ngisaba umsindo that side and yo imoto yawasha, so like akusakhona continue gogoloying, but let's continue the story. So usisi uthi uhusband avumeke ukuthi kuMakhosi sasa ngizothenga i-tripod chema yikho le ndaba lesisanga sami sesikhathele ukubamba uthi awushozi hire uMakhosi ke. My husband uthi refer one of ama colleagues wakhe ukuthi no, there is someone I know uyakhona ukubona, so maybe angabona inkinga esempilweni yini, yabona uthi awushozi after makashayisa kube ukuthi uyangilanda ke endlini sihambise or awushozi like no clarity hafa or awushozi bekino di antidepressant because of like bengekho right, I wasn't okay, angeke umuntu aluza abantwana abayi4 just like that akhonali. Or awushozi my husband ubonile ukuthi I might commit suicide because like bengaseseyimi at all. Uthi hayi awushozi sihambe ke masifika kuMakhosi, hayi uMakhosi masingene avela dobhomeni wami athi ndoda ungabulalisa abantwana bakho kanti or arani nako fathe or umuntu opilirisa yimi arwaye ubulayisa abana bahawu kamme wahawu. Urasho siyamangala abantwana umama kanjani, wabona uthi athi makoti uzenosihlabelo arosihlabelo ngwana bathu sihlabelo athi umntwana abantwana bakho lo mama umama kameni wakho knows ukuthi what happened to abantwana bakho. Urasho makala uthi my mother-in-law asi abomama laba ungamkhomba ukuthi uyaganga. Awushozi my mother-in-law ke motho muskuni apara the spectacles abomama laba bavuka ekseni bageze upila like ungeke ubone ukuthi angaba angenelele kulomoya obumnyama, uthi ungeke uzubone. Awushozi uthi hayi no problem, kube ukuthi ke asho ke ubhuti uMakhosi athi wona bhuti abantwana bakho bonke bahambise umamakho, uthi abantwana bakho bavela bakahle, uthi abantwana bakho bayisesibayini. Why abantwana bakho bayisibayini uma kamntwana bangangena isibayini nawo ungangena isibayini ubone ukuthi abantwana babayenzani. Are if ubonya kotse hore bana ba gago ba jilekeng tsamaye go mme wa gago tlo botsa hore bana ba jilekeng, hambe umconfront manje umtshela umbuzo ukuthi abantwana badle yini. Athi mma wa gago wa tsebe gore wa usina bana, athi why ungana abantwana, why ungana abantwana umdala kanje ungana abantwana, why asiqale lapho. Gore ashozi ke maketsi like angikhona ukuhlanganisa indaba lo mama lo mina kimi u right abantwana abambeka right beka bageza. Gore ashozi ke maketsi arabantwana bakho ngikhuluma nawe so abarobala abana bawo abana bawo batlobereka generations to generations because lo mama lo lezinto azenza uzenza nomntwana wakhe lo ugcina wentombazana. Athi yonke lento le bayayiplana wena mawuba pregnant uthola already plan seyenziwe, mawufika already plan yarana, wena mawufika mawuceda u30 umntwana afika khona iplan iyaqedwa ke ngabantwana bakho. Or ashozi I didn't even believe yonke lento lo Makhosi bekayisho cause kamotsiba meolula lela rato ke mme obuleta. Uthi ngingabelieve, athi if you don't believe me athi mkhonyana thatha umfazi wakho hambe yini buza umama ukuthi abantwana bakho bakuphi niphinde nibele uzongitshela. Or ashozi my husband umuntu omnyama asumuntu omhlophe arinotla ba mo chechi kamlora ngeash athi bekamhlophe aphile into engayazi aeshi or ashozi nali ash
Mothula ke sa kwishisho go diragalang or I was just masifie motweni. My husband was like asiyendlini, we are driving straight go high. I just want to find out or mama ka o dirileng ka bana. Uthi I was just si drive ke siki bomfana uthi masifika immediately asathu yasipulisa umama uthi my husband akere mama bana ba ko ba jelang. Uthi I was just immediately makambuza kanjalo uma indoda mayimbuza ebuza my mother-in-law ukuthi abantwana kahle kahle ubadlelana or I was just my mother-in-law wa collapsed or mbe ola wana qo pants wa collapse wafenda. Uthi abize my sister-in-law so sister-in-law Nkele arinkele ke bana ba ka le batho ba bekishang wa ile ja bana baka or I was just Nkele collapsed night the same way as mama ka collapsing akona a collapse or are today le tlotso ga le mpotso bana ba ka le dirileng ka bona and ba kae. Uthi I was just athathe it20 little months a gashe umama ke a gashe Nkele bangavuki abagashe futhi for the second or awusoze basikatsoga batho ba I don't know what baby asibathathe sibayise clinic bazovuka clinic or awusoze re bana metsi kokoloyini se clinic basifike clinic mama bamcheck mama usaphila ba check Nkele awusoze Nkele uthokufetsi collapse inhliziyo yama same time but the mother-in-law usaphila or awusoze my husband was like ubulayileke enye Nkele ubulayileke enye but no ube ne heart attack umntwana ushonile Nkele the younger sister-in-law or I was choosing my mother-in-law apapami or I was choosing my mother-in-law apapam bamfaka ama trip apapam uthi makathi clubs usibona simile like anabuchabela uthi my husband amuthi arkere mama bana baka le bajali babakishani wa ujabana ba kodwa umuntu ahlangahlangani emishini ikhale awusijozi amanesi asicoshe athi umntwana umuntu umala-in-law u-distress and asimpheni isikhathi ukuthi abe back to normal whatever sifuna ukukhuluma naye ngayo sizokhuluma umama aright or awusijozi hi my husband akake tlokhona robala mo asijike sibile kumakhosi or awusijozi ra chamari driver mashokonkwa uthi now my husband this thing iyamuhita ukuthi lento lesi makhosi asitshele yona ke nite ume ujile bana barena uthi awusijozi sifike kumakhosi chazela makhosi mntwana my younger sister ushonile usesibhedlela as we speak usemakhazini usesibhedlela my mother ukosibhedlela ufentile but yena ukhonile uphaphama angimbuza wathakathakana ariwathwana muthulele nothokofala athi makhosi asitshela athi wafana lo muntu usendleleni uthokofala ariphela utulithi isiphiri sakare so ayikhwenye indlela uzoshona or asithozi abuze ke my husband uthi now iway forward yini athi mele uthashone icala then we can proceed or asithozi masi driver sibela endlini iphone call ingene kuthiwe my mother-in-law ushonile now ekibo my husband kushone abantu ababili ngesikhathi esiyi-1 or asithozi my husband was like I'm not going there angifuni ukusibhalisa angibafunile abantu laba bangihlela abantwana lwena awimo akona morto yang rena leso re tlhokofaletse ke bana re feditse rena go boloka batho akona batho re tlo ba boloka uthi awusoze ngisho ukuthi umuntu wa joker ba prepare ba mfonele kibo uthi upblock every single person umfonela ya motsa ka funeral my husband blocked ifamily yakhe kwaba ngathi yimi mina influencer or awusoze elder brother yakhe izela sihlala khona azongibuza ukuthi yemona wena hlokofalela ke mma wena wa re blocka ke batata ba gago uthi my husband are mmago leno ke le bana ba ka ba baifo go lena gore ke funeral le nanja ke le msadi yaka a ke mo bolokeng mmago lena nkere na ja bana ba leno jile ba ka bana molokeng or awusoze funeral ya procedure without my husband without even me going there uthi funeral my procedure abaqeda ukuprocedure ngomncwabo maphela awusijozi rabwela kumakhosi went back to makhosi ukuthi sifuna iclosure phela ukuthi from now on singayenza kanjani awusijozi masiya kumakhosi afike vele asigeze no my husband arethaphise asuse like le fifi le mme argentseng lona asigeze asitshela ukuthi from now on nizoba right everything enzekile ihambe naye emgodini angeke san affecta you can now try to have kids bazophila but the only thing I can tell you ukuthi baska gatalela palela if you want your kids to survive bangasayi kule family that family, it's no longer your family, enemy yakho. Usisi uthi awushozi my husband nama siblings wakhe abasazwani, cause laba hambe khona kuthiwe my mother-in-law uzashona, it's because of me and my husband. Abasawutwana, abakhulumisani, like they no longer have a relationship. My husband unami kuphela because of they think ukuthi it is nomthelelo ukuthi sibabulali. But my husband wajela ifirstborn asikibo my brother-in-law wamumdala ukuthi what really happened, abantwana badlekile. So now they want to believe story sokuthi wherever laba hambe khona kuthiwa umama uzashona, it's because of me and my husband. Or awushozi, even though we do have closure ukuthi abantwana bashone babulawe yini, or awushozi ngakutshela ukuthi now I'm on a pill ngiya prevent, like kinale trauma. I'm still traumatized. Ngiyasaba ukukhulelwa uthi ngizwa ubuhlungu ukuthi I cannot enjoy motherhood because of kinahana gore nalo engizomprega manje umntwana angazadlula emhlabeni. Awushozi abo mama zala bangalunganga uthi ungashela ukuthi umuntu uyakuthanda kanti umuntu akakuthanda akufisela ukuhle. Or awushozi kinale my husband, but I'm not happy. I lost 4 kids. I'm not happy. Ngizingasola ukuthi why ngivuma umyeni wami angishade. Uthi the relationship, the marriage is shaken kakhulu. It's no longer the same. Now akasana anyone to call ekipo, like it's only me. What else was I feel ukuthi I regret ezintweni eziningi. Now I do have my own regrets ukuthi bengivumelani to allow abantu ba take over impilo zabantwana bami, thinking ukuthi ngiba the good makoti, only for me to find out ukuthi yonke lama rituals, it was rituals to kill my kids. Or I was just I get ke fete jwang. I feel like umshado wami ngeke usurvive le stage esikiso. I feel ukuthi nami it's hard for me to proceed ngokuthi ngathi ngifuna umunye umntwana. I feel ukuthi ake sabaxabana, or ake tsebe gore nka etsa jwang. Ukhona umuntu owadlula esimini sami ongakhona ukungi-advise gore ke etse jwang moving forward, ngenze njani to save my marriage, ngenze njani to be myself again, to feel alive, ngiyeke ukuziblame for amaphutha anzeka. Sure. Hi guys, like how can you kill 4 kids, abantwana bamantwana bakho, igazi lakho? Like why kubulawa ingane ezingena ngani? Bye bye guys.